Here's part 2 on how to build a small set of plywood stairs out of one sheet of plywood. And first thing we're going to need to do is cut our pieces. And here they are, cut and kind of spaced away to give you a better idea. And here's just another picture. We're going to be working with a three-dimensional drawing here. And just trying to make things simple, or as simple as I can. Sometimes I'll throw an extra picture in when you're thinking, hey, what the heck do we need another picture for? Well, sometimes it makes all the difference in the world to other people. The first thing I recommend doing will be to assemble one of the sides with the back, and do not forget, and look at this picture close, that the side will nail to the edge or screw to the edge or staple, whatever you're going to use to fasten these parts together, to the side like you see here in the picture. If you don't nail it exactly this way, you will have a problem with the rest of the stairs. You'll find out that the pieces won't fit together. And of course, you will just grab the other side and nail it, staple it, screw it, whatever, to the side. And again, you can use staples. If you have a pneumatic gun, you can use nails. I don't really recommend using nails. I think screws would work better. If it's going to be an exterior set of stairs, make sure that you use galvanized or zinc coated screws. Something that would be rated as an exterior screw, stainless steel. That might be a little pricey, but and of course you can use galvanized nails. If you have pneumatic nailing equipment, feel free to use that. I have a pneumatic stapler. That works fine. You can countersink all of the holes if you want to, or just screw them right in, depending upon what you're going to be using the set of stairs for. Again, I'm just trying to provide you with a simple way to build a set of stairs. I won't be providing you with every single little detail on how to put it together, but feel free to email me, or if you have any questions, leave them in the comment area, and I will either make another video or provide you with an answer. The next step will be to attach the risers to the sides. And don't forget that the bottom riser will go on the bottom. Don't mess this up, otherwise you're going to have problems. And again, if you're attaching all this with screws, you can simply unscrew it. That won't be too big of a problem. Then go ahead and attach the treads, and you are done. You will have a stairway built out of one piece of plywood. And here's another view of it to give you an idea. Again, make sure that you understand exactly how this was assembled. Otherwise, you're going to have problems assembling it. Now, here's what the bottom looks like. I just wanted to provide you with as many pictures as I could to give you an idea of what you're actually going to be building. Now, the last picture here is simply going to be used as another reference point to provide you with an example of what the stairway measurements should come out to if you do everything correctly. So I hope that helps. It's not too difficult of a project to do. You can make it in different widths and different sizes. Like I said, you just simply change the measurements, and you should end up with something relatively sturdy. Now, there is one more problem, and I might need to make another video. If you make these stairways any wider than 24 inches, you might need to go to a thicker plywood, 1.125", something like that, or 1 inch, because the plywood might not be designed to span the width. So like I said, anything wider than 24 inches might need to go, you might need to go with some thicker plywood. 32 inches might be pushing it. But there is a way around this, and I might have already made a video on it. If I have, then I will provide you with that link at the in the comment area, or I should say in the description area. And if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment area or email them to us. So be careful. Like I said, the biggest problem you're going to have with something like this will be making something too wide and having a problem with the risers. However, I do have a solution for that, and I will provide that link to you in the description area.